Which of the following cannot be made by using Williamson's ether synthesis? Williamson's ether synthesis is when alkyl halide is treated with sodium alkoxide ion. What will I get? Ether. When alkyl halide is treated with sodium alkoxide, ether is obtained. This is Williamson's ether synthesis. Williamson's ether synthesis follows SN2 mechanism. So, alkyl halide should be primary. Alkoxide ion, sodium alkoxide can be primary, secondary or tertiary. This is very important point for Williamson's ether synthesis. Alkyl halide should be always primary and alkoxide ion can be secondary, primary or tertiary. Now let us see the first option, methoxybenzene. Methoxybenzene means what is the compound? Methoxybenzene. This is methoxybenzene. This compound can be prepared from sodium phenoxide ion and methyl iodide. Sodium phenoxide ion and methyl iodide. So this reaction is possible because the alkyl halide is primary alkyl halide. So Williamson's ether synthesis is possible to prepare this compound. Now let us go back to the next compound. Benzyl paranitrophenyl ether. Now let us first write the structure of benzyl paranitrophenyl ether. This is benzyl. This is ether. Paranitrophenyl benzyl ether. This is paranitrophenyl benzyl ether. How can this compound be prepared from Williamson's ether synthesis? We can prepare this compound from benzyl halide and paranitro-sodium phenoxide. So this compound also can be prepared from Williamson's ether synthesis. Let us go back to the third option now. Tertiary butyl methyl ether. Now this is first option, possible. Second option, possible. Third option, tertiary butyl methyl ether. Now let us write the structure of tertiary butyl methyl ether. This is tertiary butyl. This is tertiary butyl methyl ether. And how this compound can be prepared? When I take tertiary butoxide and methyl halide. Methyl halide. So methyl halide is primary here. This is tertiary. Alkoxide can be primary, secondary and tertiary. So this compound also can be prepared by Williamson's ether synthesis. Again I am repeating first three options. About first three options. In the first option, the compound given is methoxybenzene. Methoxybenzene can be prepared from methyl iodide and sodium phenoxide ion. Methyl iodide is primary alkyl halide, so Williamson's ether synthesis is possible. Second option, what they asked, paranitrophenyl benzyl ether. So this compound can be prepared from benzyl iodide, which is the primary alkyl halide, primary halide, or benzyl halide plus sodium paranitro sodium phenoxide ion. Benzyl iodide and paranitro sodium phenoxide can react with each other to form this product. So this is also possible because benzyl iodide undergoes Williamson's ether synthesis. So second option is also possible. Now let us see third option. In third option, what is happening? Methyl iodide. What you have to get? What is the product they are asking us to prepare? Tertiary butyl methyl ether. So this can be prepared from methyl iodide and tertiary butoxide. So third compound also can be prepared from Williamson's ether synthesis. Now let us see this one. Ditertiary butyl ether. Ditertiary butyl ether, what is the structure of ditertiary butyl ether? Fourth option structure is CH3C, CH3, CH3O, CH3, CH3, CH3. Here both the carbon atoms are tertiary carbon atoms. So we cannot use Williamson's ether synthesis to prepare this ether. So your answer should be answer D. Which of the following cannot be prepared by Williamson's ether synthesis is ditertiary butyl ether. Ditertiary compounds cannot be prepared